Creating a commercial-grade cosmetic product from scratch requires exact chemistry and a strict process. The ultimate result of that exact process is this: a beautifully clear, high-viscosity aloe vera cooling gel. Looking at the product overview and key benefits sections of our formulation sheet, we can see exactly what this gel is engineered to do. It provides immediate, deep hydration and soothing relief for skin that has been irritated by heat, sun exposure, or shaving. By mastering the specific chemical reactions that create this stable, non-sticky texture, you gain the exact blueprint needed to manufacture a highly demanded premium skincare product right from your own workspace. To achieve consistent results, we follow this formulation table, detailing the precise weights for all 10 ingredients for a 1 kilogram batch. Scanning the function column, these ingredients work across 3 pillars: hydrating base components, cooling active agents, and structural thickeners. Moving to the equipment section, you will need a digital scale, beakers, mixing bowls, and an electric hand mixer. Take note of the highlighted tip at the bottom. You must sterilize all equipment and containers before you begin. Absolute precision in your chemical measurements, combined with strict environmental sanitation, is the dividing line between a stable, commercial-ready product and a contaminated, failed batch. Step 1 in our production method details the physical extraction. You begin by washing fresh aloe vera leaves, removing the green outer skin, and carefully scooping out the clear raw gel from the center. Step 2 introduces our first critical failure point. You must blend this raw gel until it is entirely smooth, and then strain it. If you skip straining, fibrous lumps will remain and ruin the final texture of your batch. In steps 3 and 4, we move to compounding. Inside a clean beaker, you combine the strained aloe with your distilled water and vegetable glycerin. Once stirred, you add the propylene glycol and mix it until everything is fully integrated. Achieving a perfectly homogeneous liquid base at this stage is strictly required. If the liquid isn't completely uniform before you introduce your solid active powders, you will run into severe saturation issues later. Now we introduce the active ingredients in step 5. You add the menthol and the panthenol, also known as vitamin B5, into the beaker, stirring continuously until both are completely dissolved into the base liquid. Step 6 requires careful execution to avoid our second critical failure point: clumping. You must slowly sprinkle the Carbomer 940 powder directly into a moving vortex while whisking continuously, so it hydrates instantly upon contact. With the powder dissolved, step 7 instructs us to add our chemical catalyst, triethanolamine, or TEA. This acts as a pH adjuster and is specifically required to activate the Carbomer structure. Notice the instruction to add the solution drop by drop. As the TEA enters the mixture, you will observe a rapid physical transition from a thin liquid into a highly viscous gel. Rushing this chemical reaction will break the formulation. Your patience during this specific thickening process dictates the final structural integrity and the sensory feel of the gel on the skin. Step 8 outlines our delicate final additions. You add your preservative and any optional essential oils or fragrances, mixing them in gently so you do not disrupt the newly formed structural network of the gel. Step 9 is where we dial in the aesthetic perfection. You continue to gently and methodically stir the mixture until the entire batch is crystal clear, highly uniform, and completely free of any microbubbles. Finally, step 10 is the resting phase. You transfer the finished gel into clean containers and leave them uncapped to set undisturbed for several hours. This proper stabilization and resting period ensures your gel achieves maximum shelf life and arrives at a premium, retail-ready appearance. Once the gel is set, it's ready for distribution. This packaging options panel shows 4 formats perfectly structured for dispensing a high-viscosity liquid: pump bottles, flip-top bottles, squeeze tubes, and standard wide-mouth jars. By completing this precise protocol, you have successfully produced exactly 1 kilogram of commercial-grade aloe cooling gel. Checking our costing example chart, we can translate that raw kilogram into actual business metrics. That single batch yields enough product to perfectly fill 4 standard 250 milliliter retail bottles. To begin compounding your own batches, check the supplier email linked below to order a complete starter kit. Next week, we will apply these same thickening principles to formulate an antibacterial hand sanitizer. Mastering this scalable, home-based production method allows you to take raw, inexpensive materials and directly translate them into a highly profitable, market-ready cosmetic line.